These money-making apps that I'll share with you in today's video pay you in PayPal money by just doing some online activities. They work for absolutely free and are worldwide available, so anyone can join. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. But just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you can get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, I'm going to start right away with this video so I can show you everything, and make sure to stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused since I'm going to give multiple sources and you can just learn how to make the most money out of all of them. So the very first step is to come over to the first source for today, which is this platform here called InstaGC. This is over at instantgc.com. You can see that you can receive digital gift cards instantly, so that's why it's called like instant gift cards. So you can see that you can join it absolutely free by putting your username, your password again, an email address, and then you can sign up and also get 10 free points, which is the bonus actually. And you can see that it gives you the possibility to sign up with your Facebook account, Twitter account, or Google account. You're going to receive those rewards for doing some online activities that you already do online, like completing surveys, watching videos is something that we already do, shopping online and getting cash back, and also searching the web. You can see that they offer you more than 320 gift cards, and you can click on view collection to see them all. They've been around since 2011, so they have been around for 11 years now, and it shows that this is a legit platform because most of the scam websites disappeared after a short period of time. Also, they have paid more than 1 million of gift cards, and you can click on view redemption proof to see here on their Facebook page like albums with photos from every month with payment proofs. This person here has got $50 in Google Play gift card, this one here $54 in PayPal money, this one here has got paid through direct deposit, Target gift cards, also Bitcoin and so on. So they offer different payment methods and different gift cards. So this was the first platform that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to proceed to the next one, which is an app actually, and it's called AppKarma. This is over at their official website appkarma.io. You can earn rewards by playing with apps that you're going to install on here, and it's absolutely free. You can see that it is available for iOS and Android users. You can just install it here and also get 300 points. You're going to complete some offers and you're going to redeem your points that you're going to accumulate to PayPal or top brand gift cards. By clicking on Get AppKarma, it's going to take you over to this page where you can see that if you are on iPad, you can click on this button. If you are on a desktop, you just need to send yourself an SMS with a link to download the app. You can put your phone number here and click on text me the app. If you are an Android user, you can go over to Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, just go over to m.appkarma.io on your mobile Safari browser. So by going over to Google Play Store, you're going to notice that it's called AppKarma Rewards and Gift Cards. They got more than 5 million of downloads and 4.1 stars out of more than 300,000 of reviews. You can play popular games, you can even play scratch cards, you can redeem points for cash and gift cards, earn badge rewards, and so on. By going over to their official website and scrolling a little bit down, you're going to notice that they offer a referral program. So you can get paid through their referral program by just getting your referral link, sharing it with friends, and get like up to 30% of what your referrals are. And you can even find interested people that are on different social media groups on Make Money Online or even Make Money Online forums. You can just start discussing with them, share your referral link, tell them that you have found an app that they can use in order to earn money, and you're going to earn in passive income. You can see that Karma Plays let you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps that you have installed on AppKarma. You can just get achievement badges whenever you get extra bonuses, and you need to complete some tasks like installing 5 apps, watching videos, checking in 5 times, and so on. You can increase your reward level each each time you earn a Karma Play badge, and you can earn up to 12.5% of bonus each time you complete an app offer. So it also depends on you, on how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. So this was the app that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to proceed to another website that you can use, and this website is called SuperPay.me. This is over at SuperPay.me, and as you can see, this is the fastest paying survey site. But besides completing surveys, you can do other tasks as well, don't worry, but I highly recommend that you still focus on surveys since they pay you the most money, even though they are a little bit boring. You can see that you can cash out instantly once you reach $1 in your account, and you can use PayPal, Skrill, cryptocurrency, and even gift cards as well from Amazon and so on. You can check out the reviews from Trustpilot. They got more than 3,000 of reviews with 4.6 stars out of 5, which are excellent reviews actually, and this is a verified company from Trustpilot as well. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. You can see that they've paid to their members more than $5 million, so it has a lot of potential to make you a lot of money. Besides completing surveys, you can even complete offers, trials, play games, watch videos, and more. You can even see that they offer you a fast payment once you're going to reach $1 in your account and you want to cash out the money. You're going to get it in 8 hours. You can see that they offer you 24 support teams, so you can ask them anything and to make sure that you're going to get paid in time. You can work from home and access thousands of new surveys every day, so you can never run out of new surveys to complete. You can take part in their contests as well, and of course you can receive a sign up bonus once you create your account right now for the first time. It is absolutely safe and secure, and they offer their privacy policy that you can read to see that it is a legit platform. And you can see also that they offer some other reviews as well from this other platform with 4.7 stars out of 5. So you have a lot of reviews that you can read to see that people are loving this platform. By scrolling down, you're also going to notice that they've been around since 2012, so they have been around for quite some times now, for 10 years. So this is another factor that shows that this is a legit platform. So another thing that you can use this platform to get paid is through their referral program. You can just see here that they offer 25% of commission, so you can earn 25% of your referral earnings, which is a nice way to just maximize your results. In order to get started, you need to create an account for absolutely free by clicking on the Join Today button. Once you click on that, it's going to take you over to this page where you can see that you can register in 30 seconds. You just need to put your first name, a last name, your username, a password, then repeat the password, put an email address, and repeat the email address. Click on the next button. You're going to put some other information as well, and then you're ready to start. You can just start completing those tasks that we mentioned before in order to get paid again and again. And as you can see, all of this platform pays you through PayPal money, so I highly recommend that you combine all of them in order to see your PayPal balance growing again and again. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial with a brand new strategy.